Well, I finally found the banded Tozeuma shrimp. And although I love finding these guys and they're kind of hard to find, as you can see here, they're extremely hard to film. They're so tiny, so well camouflaged, but on top of that, they're always on a soft coral that is swaying in the current, and it's just really hard to film. So, besides this shaky footage, I'm glad I get to show you guys how cool these guys really are.